Hi friends, today we are going to see the essay on Ganesh Utsav, a festival of devotion, unity and joy. Ganesh Utsav, also known as Ganesh Chaturthi, is not just a festival, it's an emotion that lives in the hearts of millions of people across India. Dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the God of wisdom. This vibrant celebration brings families, friends, and entire communities together in a spirit of devotion, celebration, and hope. Historical background. The origin of Ganesh Utsav dates back to ancient times, but it gained significant public attention during the Indian freedom struggle. In the late 19th century, Indian freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak transformed the private family celebration into a grand public event. His aim was to bring people together, break the barriers of caste and religion, and promote unity against British rule. Since then, the festival has become a symbol of cultural unity and pride. The divine arrival. The excitement begins days in advance. Homes are cleaned, streets are decorated, and artisans put their hearts into crafting beautiful idols of Lord Ganesha. On the day of installation, there is a magical energy in the air. The moment the ideal arrives at home or in the pandal, people welcome Bappa with joyful chants of Ganpati Bappa Moria. It feels as though a beloved family member has returned home. Children glow with happiness, elders bow with folded hands, and a sense of peace and protection settles over the house, bringing people together. One of the most beautiful aspects of Ganesh Utsav is how it brings people from all walks of life together. In public pandals, strangers become friends, volunteers work day and night, decorating, organizing events, and making sure everything runs smoothly. Cultural programs, devotional singing, plays, and dances fill the evenings with color and creativity. In these moments, social barriers fade. All that remains is faith and joy. Visarjan, the emotional farewell. The last day of the festival is marked by Ganesh Visarjan, the immersion of the idol in a water body such as a river, lake, or sea. Devotees carry the idol in a grand procession accompanied by drums, music, and dancing. The immersion symbolizes the cycle of birth and death, and the belief that Lord Ganesha returns to Mount Kailash after staying with his devotees for a few days. Conclusion: Ganesh Utsav is more than just a religious festival. It is a celebration of faith, unity, art, and culture. It brings people together, encourages creativity, and teaches the value of humility, wisdom, and responsibility. Whether celebrated in a small home or a grand pandal, the presence of Lord Ganesha fills hearts with joy and positivity. As we chant Ganpati Bappa Moria, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या, the spirit of this festival continues to live on in every corner of India. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment which topic you'd like to see next. Thanks.